Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, this particular storyline reminds me of one of the lyrics from one of the many hits of Fela Kuti, "When Trouble Sleep, Yanga Go Wake 'Em." Guys, I bring you this. Imo State not part of Biafra. Uzodinma wants IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. So of course, pulling a tiger by its tail is exactly what is going on here, and whoever the tiger is, I'm sure we will find out in the course of the next few days. Again, the headline: Imo State not part of Biafra. Uzodinma wants IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu. So now let's now see how he backs up this rather bold statement. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has stated that he will still arrest more indigenous people of Biafra IPOB members in his state. Speaking to newsmen in Owerri, Uzodinma claimed that they disobeyed his orders. According to him, "I gave an order as the governor that Imo State is not part of Biafra land. I also gave orders that IPOB members must never come near my state, but they have the guts to protest in my village. These fools have the guts to call me Supreme Court governor. Because of this, any IPOB member I see in my state must be arrested and will stay 6 months in prison before I free them. Imo is my state, and as the executive governor, I have every right to decide who comes and goes," he said. So several pieces to this, several elements to this. One, he has requested, we'll start from the beginning, and he's saying that Imo State is not part of IPOB, and I cannot, of course, imagine a more Igbo place than Owerri, which is the heartland of Igbo movement itself, Igboism. The heartland of it is in Owerri. So if this guy is saying that Imo State is not part of Biafra, then you have to ask, where is? So that's the first bit. And then the second part is, he said he had ordered IPOB members not to enter his state. Of course, the state is now his personal property, having been gifted him by the Supreme Court of the Fulanis of Nigeria. So he's now claiming full ownership of the state, and he said he had banished IPOB members from the state, but then they had the audacity not only to enter his state, but to go to his home village to protest there. You know, of course, the last thing you want to do is to dare these IPOB people. That is why I started that when trouble sleep, Yaga go wake 'em. So that's the second thing that he said. So, and then the other bit that he went on to add, which really cuts to the heart of the whole thing. He says, "These fools have the guts to call me Supreme Court governor." So over and above everything else, the one thing that bites and cuts through Hope Uzodinma the most is being called the Supreme Court governor, which of course is exactly what he is. And this really lies at the very heart of this gripe that he has with the IPOB movement, because I don't really think he cares that much about a few people protesting for Biafra. But that Supreme Court governor tag, that moniker, that cloth that has been worn on him by the Supreme Court, Tanko Mohammed and or whatnot. So that cloth, he cannot unburden it, he cannot unwear it, he cannot take it off, because the Imolites have seen him as that, and they see that this is the best way to mock him, and mock him they will do for as long as he remains in that seat. So that is really at the heart of this matter. But now he has gone to the extreme of banishing IPOB members from his state. Conversations in the comment section. Over to you, Nnamdi Kanu. You have been banished from Imo State. I'm not sure if Nnamdi Kanu himself is actually from Imo State. So if he is from Imo State, then he's no longer allowed in the state, according to our Supreme Court governor, Hope Uzodinma. What says you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come tell me then who wins out in this battle between Hope Uzodinma, the Supreme Court governor, and Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say Peace.